How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, we're going to be going over the top stocks to watch this week, what's moving in the market, and what we will be watching for the upcoming week. So the first one we have here is Discovery, ticker symbol DISCA. And we're pretty bullish on this because there's some bullish news coming out. AT&T are in talks with Discovery to combine media assets with Discovery to consolidate media holdings. So this is pretty bullish for Discovery as well as AT&T. Mainly Discovery. It's going to be a little more volatile than AT&T. AT&T is a little bit of a slower mover. So if you are planning on getting AT&T, I would recommend doing shares for the long term. And of course, AT&T is a great dividend stock. They pay out monthly, and they have a pretty high dividend yield, even though it is not really a pretty big mover in terms of capital appreciation. Still a great dividend stock, one of the most highly rated dividend stocks out there. We're also going to be watching Apple. There's tons of options activity for the stock, so we can see some pretty big moves for it. Right now, we're sitting at around $127, $127.8. So it's at a pretty good price point. We can see some pretty big movement on Apple in the upcoming week due to these options activities. And overall, it's been consolidating around this $130 range. And we may see a breakout pretty soon as tech sector rebounds. And for the fourth stock, we have Palantir. A lot of people are speculating on this stock after crypto has fallen. People are expecting money to rotate into more speculative tech stocks, and Palantir, after its huge sell-off, can see a pretty big rebound. It got to lows of around $16 or $18 in the past week, and it's starting to rebound, and we can see that with some positive movement on Friday. It was up almost 10% on Friday after some pretty heavy sell-offs. So Palantir, check out this stock. It's going to be pretty volatile in the upcoming weeks, and I may add some more into my position on Palantir. Next up, we have Tesla. Same case as Palantir. Lots of people are looking for a rotation into tech stocks, and Tesla is under the $600 price point, which is pretty huge. It's at a pretty good price point to pick up some shares, play some long-term options on the stock, as it's been pretty beaten down lately. Down 10% in the past week, down 17% in the past month. A lot of people are looking at the stock to rebound, and now may be a great time to get in. And of course, we have our upcoming earnings. The stocks that we're going to be most looking at would be Walmart, Home Depot, Macy's, JD, Target, Lowe's, Cisco, and Petco. We're going to be looking at these stocks. They're going to be pretty volatile, and we're going to be seeing what their earnings are going to be reporting. The best way to play earnings would be to do data strategies, which would entail cash secured puts. And if you don't have enough capital for cash secured puts, you could open up credit spreads, which is another great strategy when the implied volatility is really high. So I will probably be playing some cash secured puts on these stocks at some lower strikes, just to take advantage of the high implied volatility and the higher than normal options premium on these stocks. So that's it for this watch list. If you liked it, please leave a like, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below. If you are new here, of course, please consider subscribing. It helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.